Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement, and today we're taking a look at the Zippy Sweeper. Now, this comes in two styles, the Classic and the Pro. This is the Classic. The main difference between the Classic and the Pro is the Pro comes with light on the front, but otherwise they're pretty much exactly the same product. Let's take a bit of a closer look. So I moved down here to the floor to make this a little bit easier to see everything, to include the styrofoam on the floor, because I'm going to show you how well the Zippy Sweeper works in a minute. Now, the sweeper itself falls somewhere between a broom and a vacuum, but it works really well. One of the first things I noticed about it is how easy it was to put together. It comes in 4 pieces, the base and then the 3 arms. And to put that together, all you have to do is snap the arms into place color to color. It does come with a plug because, like I said, this is a powered broom. So when you push this on, you see all the sweepers turn on. It helps to put things in there. So now that I have it turned off so you can hear me better, those sweepers actually sweep everything into this base. And then to clean it, all you do is open that up and everything falls out the bottom. So how well does it work? Well, you can see all this foam down here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm just going to run it over top of it. You can see that it basically sweeps everything up in one fell swoop. But what you want to know is, would I recommend this or would I buy it again? Yeah, I would absolutely buy this again. This works perfect for our basement. And the reason I say that is I don't always want to lug the vacuum down here, and a broom's not going to work on this carpet. So this is a great once in a while product for me. In the sense of, if I have something like dirt or styrofoam down here from opening a package, this product works great cleaning it up. This is the perfect light cleanup product. At the end of the day, it made cleaning just a little bit easier around here for me and my wife. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.